Niagara Falls. You've seen the photos. You've seen the postcards. Maybe you stood at the railing and felt the mist on your face and thought, yeah, okay, that's a big waterfall. You have no idea. What you're looking at is not just a waterfall. It's the edge of a geological clock that's been ticking for 12,500 years. It's a machine that moves enough water to drown a continent. It's a border carved by ice a mile thick, flowing over rocks that were sitting at the bottom of an ancient sea before the dinosaurs existed. This waterfall has stopped. It's reversed. It's been turned off. It is, right now, slowly eating its way toward one of the Great Lakes, and if you wait long enough, it'll drain entirely. 30 facts. Some of them will rearrange what you thought you knew about this planet. One of them will make you look at Niagara and every waterfall you've ever seen completely differently. Let's dive in. Fact 30. 3 in 1. Most people point at Niagara and think they're looking at one waterfall. They're not. Niagara Falls is actually 3 completely separate waterfalls. Horseshoe Falls on the Canadian side, American Falls, and the smaller Bridal Veil Falls squeezed between them. The international border between the United States and Canada runs directly through the middle of the Horseshoe Falls, which means every day, millions of gallons of water cross an international boundary without a passport. Fact 29. Not even close to the tallest. Here's a fact Niagara doesn't advertise. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world that are taller. 500. Niagara doesn't crack the top 500 in terms of height. Its dominance has nothing to do with how far the water falls. It's about how much. Height is impressive. Volume is power. Fact 28. First state park in America. Niagara Falls State Park in New York isn't just a park. It's the oldest state park in the entire United States, established in 1885. That means before Yellowstone had a proper visitor center, before the National Park Service even existed, Niagara was already protected land. It set the template for every state park that followed. Fact 27. The antique cable car above the whirlpool. Dangling over the Niagara Whirlpool since 1916, the Niagara Aero car is a cable car, and it's the only one of its kind still in existence on the planet. It's been making that crossing for over 100 years, not restored, not rebuilt, operating continuously since 1916. Fact 26. The powerhouse. The falls can generate over 4 million kilowatts of electricity, shared equally between the United States and Canada. That number doesn't mean much until you remember it's a waterfall doing that. No fuel, no combustion, just water falling, continuously, producing enough electricity to power entire cities on both sides of a border simultaneously. So far, Niagara looks like exactly what you expected. Famous, powerful, old. A great waterfall doing great waterfall things. But here's what's starting to come into focus. Niagara isn't just impressive, it's strange. The border runs through it. The oldest park in America protects it. A century-old cable car swings over it. Something about this place bends the normal rules. And we haven't even talked about what happens underground yet, or what the water itself is doing to the planet beneath your feet. Fact 25. The green tint. You've noticed the color, that deep, eerie green of the water at the crest. It isn't algae. It isn't dye. It's rock flour. Pulverized limestone and dissolved minerals ground down so fine they become suspended in the water. The falls are sweeping 60 tons of dissolved rock over the crest every single minute. The green isn't a feature. It's evidence of constant, relentless geological destruction happening in real time. Fact 24. Speed limit, 68 miles per hour. Water approaches the crest line at about 25 miles per hour. That's fast, but manageable. Then it goes over the edge. By the time the water reaches the base of Horseshoe Falls, it's traveling at 68 miles per hour. That's highway speed, from a standing river to a 68 mile per hour impact in roughly 170 feet. Fact 23. 3,160 tons per second. Every single second. 3,160 tons of water flow over the falls. Not per minute, per second. That number is so large it becomes abstract, so think of it this way. That's the equivalent of roughly 600 fully loaded African elephants going over the edge every second, around the clock, every day of the year. Fact 22. The plunge pool. At the base of Horseshoe Falls, all that water has to go somewhere. What's carved out below the surface is a plunge pool 100 feet deep. A 10-story building could stand submerged at the base of those falls and the roof wouldn't break the surface. That pool was dug entirely by falling water. Fact 21. the whirlpool that reverses every night. A few miles downstream, the Niagara River makes a sharp 90-degree turn. The water has nowhere to go, so it stacks up and spins, creating the Niagara Whirlpool, 125 feet deep. During the day, it rotates counterclockwise. Every night at 10 p.m., it reverses clockwise. Not because of the moon, not because of the seasons, but because at 10 p.m., the hydroelectric plants upstream reduce their water diversion, and that change in flow is strong enough to reverse the rotation of an entire whirlpool. Think about what we just covered. Water that turns green from dissolved rock, a waterfall that accelerates to highway speed, a plunge pool 10 stories deep, a whirlpool that reverses on a schedule set by human engineers. Niagara is not a passive natural feature, it's an active, dynamic system, and the humans around it have been in constant negotiation with it for over a century. But the humans are new here, the falls are not, and the next set of facts goes back to a time before any of this existed, to the ice, the rock, and the slow, violent birth of one of the most recognizable places on Earth. Fact 20. Born 12,500 years ago. Niagara Falls is, in geological terms, a newborn. It formed approximately 12,000 to 12,500 years ago at the end of the last ice age, when retreating glaciers exposed the land and began redirecting meltwater. In a planet that's 4.5 billion years old, Niagara has existed for about 1/300,000th of Earth's history. It's younger than the bones of every woolly mammoth ever found. Fact 19. The rocks beneath are 430 million years old. Here's the contradiction. The falls are 12,500 years old, but the rocks they flow over are 425 to 440 million years old. Those rocks were deposited at the bottom of a warm, shallow tropical sea that covered this part of North America long before the first dinosaur. The falls are young. The stage they perform on is ancient beyond imagination. Fact 18. Buried under a mile of ice. Before Niagara existed, this entire region was buried under more than a mile of glacial ice. A mile. The ice was so heavy it compressed the bedrock beneath it. When it finally retreated, the land literally rebounded, and it's still slowly rising today. Everything you see at Niagara is a direct consequence of that ice. Without it, there's no falls, no gorge, no Great Lakes, nothing. Fact 17. Hidden marine fossils. Buried in the Rochester Shale layer beneath the falls is a rich diversity of marine fossils, trilobites, ancient corals, creatures that lived in that tropical sea 430 million years ago. The falls aren't just eroding rock, they're slowly excavating a fossil record. Every ton of rock that breaks off the edge could contain the remains of creatures that predate land-dwelling animals on Earth. Fact 16. The falls were born 7 miles away. When Niagara Falls first formed at the end of the Ice Age, it wasn't where it is today. The original falls were located 7 miles downstream, near the present-day towns of Lewiston and Queenston. For 12,500 years, it's been migrating upstream, eating its way backward through the bedrock, moving toward Lake Erie. It's one of the fastest-moving waterfalls on the planet. 7 miles in 12,500 years. Ancient fossil sea creatures buried in the rock face. A mile of glacial ice that shaped everything we see. We're at the halfway point, and the picture being assembled here isn't of a tourist destination. It's a geological event in slow motion. A waterfall that's actively, measurably, unstoppably reshaping a continent. The next cluster is about scale and extremes, about what happens when you hold the full scope of Niagara in your mind all at once. Fact 15. 6 million cubic feet per minute. During peak summer hours, more than 6 million cubic feet of water, 168,000 cubic meters, goes over the crest line every minute. To visualize that, imagine a football field filled with water to a depth of 100 feet. That entire volume disappears over the edge every single minute, continuously, through the entire summer season. Fact 14. 2,509 tons of force. The water hitting the base of Horseshoe Falls does so with 2,509 tons of force. That isn't the weight of the water, that's the impact force, the kinetic energy transferred at the moment of collision. It's one of the most sustained, concentrated releases of natural impact force on the surface of the Earth. Fact 13. The falls once stopped. In March of 1848, Niagara Falls went silent. An ice jam formed at the mouth of the Niagara River at Lake Erie and blocked the flow entirely. For 30 hours, the falls stopped. People walked out onto the dry riverbed below. They picked up muskets, bayonets, and artifacts from the War of 1812 that the water had been covering for decades. The silence was described by witnesses as deeply unsettling. They had no idea when, or if, it would start again. Fact 12. The Great Lakes hold 18% of the world's surface freshwater. Everything above Niagara Falls, everything that feeds it, is the Great Lakes system, and the Great Lakes holds approximately 18% of all the surface freshwater on the planet. Not in North America, on the planet. Niagara's not just a waterfall, it's the drain for nearly 1/5 of Earth's available fresh surface water. Fact 11. Flood an entire continent. If the water stored in the Great Lakes were spread evenly across the entire landmass of North America, the continent would be submerged under 3.5 feet of water. Every road, every city, every mountain valley, gone. Underwater that's currently being held, quietly, in a lake system that looks perfectly calm from shore. 6 million cubic feet per minute, a continent's worth of water, an impact force measured in thousands of tons, a fall that once, impossibly, stopped. Every fact in this cluster has the same quality. It sounds made up. It sounds like the kind of thing someone exaggerates to make a point. But these are the numbers. This is what's actually happening. The next facts are about time, specifically about what Niagara is doing to this planet right now, what it's going to do, and what it will have done by the time it's finished. Fact 10. Erosion has slowed, but not stopped. Historically, Niagara eroded at 3 to 5 feet per year. The rock simply couldn't withstand the force and kept breaking away. Modern water diversion for hydroelectric power has reduced that to roughly 1 foot per year. We've slowed the erosion of one of the most powerful waterfalls in the world, but we have not stopped it. The falls are still moving, every year. Fact 9. The talus deception. American Falls looks shorter than Horseshoe Falls. That's not because it is, it's because of the talus, a massive pile of boulders at its base that piled up from centuries of rock falls. The rock debris has actually filled in the plunge pool below American Falls almost entirely. In 1969, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers tried to figure out what to do about it. Their solution was dramatic. Fact 8. Engineers turned off the falls. In 1969, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers built a temporary cofferdam, a barrier, and diverted the entire flow of American Falls. They turned off a waterfall. For several months, American Falls ran completely dry. Engineers walked its face, studying the erosion, drilling into the rock. The project was eventually abandoned when they concluded that removing the talus would be more expensive than living with it. They turned the water back on and left. Fact 7. The sonic boom in the rock. When a large section of the limestone cap rock at the edge of Niagara breaks off and falls, the impact doesn't just splash. People standing nearby feel it as a jarring vibration through the ground, described as being hit by a slow, invisible shockwave. This happens without warning. The falls are actively, physically fracturing the ground beneath visitors' feet, not metamorphically, literally. Fact 6. The Buried Gorge Mystery. Thousands of years ago, as the falls were migrating upstream, they hit an ancient buried valley, the St. David's Buried Gorge, that had been filled in by glacial debris. The softer material eroded dramatically faster, causing the falls to suddenly lurch sideways and accelerate. The result was the Niagara Whirlpool. A geological feature from thousands of years before the falls existed is still shaping what you see today. Niagara is not just a waterfall, it's a record of everything that came before it. Fact 5. The Northward River. The Niagara River flows north, from Lake Erie to Lake Ontario. That alone is unusual, as most major North American rivers flow south. But here's the stranger part. Lake Ontario sits 325 feet lower than Lake Erie. That elevation drop is the engine of everything. The waterfalls, the gorge, the whirlpool, the erosion, all of it powered by one lake sitting 325 feet higher than the one it drains into. Fact 4. Niagara will drain Lake Erie. In roughly 50,000 years, if nothing intervenes, the Niagara River will erode all the way back to Lake Erie. It will breach the lake itself, the largest reservoir of fresh water in the eastern United States. The lake that supplies drinking water to millions of people will slowly drain into the Niagara system. One of the Great Lakes will be emptied by a waterfall. The process has already started. It started 12,500 years ago. Fact 3. The falls will disappear. In approximately 15,000 years, the falls will erode back to a section of softer rock. When that happens, there won't be enough resistance to maintain the vertical drop. The falls won't get bigger. They won't move somewhere else. They'll simply dissolve into a series of giant rapids, and cease to exist as a waterfall. Niagara Falls has an expiration date. It's a temporary feature. The most famous waterfall in North America is just passing through. Fact 2. A drop of water's journey. A single drop of water entering the Great Lakes system from Lake Michigan takes at least 15 hours to travel through the entire network and pass over Niagara Falls. 15 hours of movement through the largest collection of fresh surface water on Earth before it goes over the edge and falls 170 feet and joins the Atlantic Ocean's watershed. One molecule of water, one small, unremarkable event, repeated 3,160 tons at a time, every second, without stopping. Fact 1. Niagara is not a destination, it's an edge. Here's what Niagara actually is. It's the precise moment where ancient geology becomes visible. For 440 million years, rocks formed in a tropical sea. Then ice came, a mile thick, and crushed them. Then the ice left, and the meltwater found the edge. And ever since, water has been falling off that edge, eating the rock, carrying fossils to the surface, reversing whirlpools, cracking limestone, and inch by inch, year by year, moving toward Lake Erie. The falls don't care that you came to see them. They were there before you arrived. They'll be gone before your species can imagine it. And right now, at this exact moment, they're actively, measurably dismantling the continent. You didn't visit a waterfall. You stood at the edge of time. Niagara Falls shouldn't work as a metaphor. It's too big, too famous, too postcard ready. But after 30 facts, the metaphor arrives whether you want it or not. A falls born at the end of an ice age, traveling 7 miles through 12,500 years, carrying fossils from a sea that vanished 400 million years ago, producing enough electricity to power 2 nations, draining toward a lake it'll eventually swallow, scheduled to disappear in 15,000 years. This is not the most dramatic waterfall on Earth. It is the most honest one. It shows you exactly what time does to rock. Which fact rewired something in your brain? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone. And if you want more places that have been hiding in plain sight, subscribe. More cities, more wonders, more facts that make the familiar feel suddenly completely strange.